We're in December, and we now have active wildfires still in our state. These Santa Ana winds in the last few days have been quite intense. They're peaking later this afternoon into the early evening. We have been monitoring a number of fires, one in particular in Orange County, the Bond fire. It's 0% contained, 6,600 acres.
The Bonfire, B-O-N-D. Bonfire started last night at 10:14 p.m. It was started as a result of a fully engulfed house fire on the 29,000 block of Silverado Canyon Road. As most of you recall, last night we had erratic, strong Santa Ana winds quickly pushed the flames from the house into the vegetation, and the fire grew rapidly. Even if you don't see smoke, if you're listening to this news conference and you don't see smoke, you don't hear sirens, you don't get the reverse 911, but there's a concern, you have a concern that maybe the fire's a little too close, that's enough. That's enough to have your belongings prepared and to evacuate. We've got power poles down, we've got wires down. Even though you may not see much smoke right now in the background, there's still significant potential for growth, and we're not just going to let people back into those communities as long as there's other hazards out. Some of you have heard that 2 firefighters were injured today. My understanding is that they were treated on scene, transported to a local hospital. Their exact condition is unknown to me.